Into the amity and say, we mean to me, shall one some show my main home. Last episode of my story, the baby drew and I'm so I'm Mrs. Sapi or Taroba, Aqua Cotton, and me share my me. Me catch them also episode me go school near the day. So while the talk was going on, there was another Nigerian guy who was also around. And me call here, me call car some nation mammy, na me name mammy. Eba honum shop honum nti eba two Nigerian guy no. Ono na mostly and in the come. So initially net the agreement was say me fifty ba honum every weekend bia na mabeji school nyama school fees na scam me be school basically. In that day no cry, I remember say a guy no Nigerian guy no to provisions kakra mame and ma miska for school fees ne ade nti me ko fie nti na weekend bia and some days me back around into this particular day no me back around na me ko fie na ma miska nti ma miska no ma me 20 cedis e kan ho say me drew fear me for 20 cedis ne dey ma me. And it wasn't as if some mommy besides Cano. My mom didn't even know about the or catch me do fear me for money into me coffee of the 20 cities near the shame mammy. And in the following week, Miss Uncle ya me ba or Miss Cano. I'm a 10 year back I make on. What I heard was mean to me show and son show my main count. And it came off very weird to me because the initial money, the 20 cities now the kind of mammy, my mom didn't ask you for it or anything. We're already grateful for whatever you are doing for us. So, me call fear me the Ukraine me catch mom is that this is what I heard the woman saying. So, on the so in Bisan is Kabia, but we should just forget about it. Tia forget it and go so on say what you be in chance so there. Na me nkwana na me shop no back a cold store na back a provision shop. Till most of the time me ana me tia no be beton na ma me ana me yi na me twitwa ene ade. People like me. When they see me, when they meet me in person, they see how genuine I am. They tend to like me. And most of the things that will be in chain will be about they wouldn't actually on my own first cano say why it will be no. She still takes that money, no, they can't and I didn't mind because then I was staying there. She gave me a place to sleep and then all that. And there was no problem at all. I didn't. And I be initially know the mommy. So what was the problem? And when Dakro me free school by not me call no pan area. That I never government school into me call area and no pan. This particular day they me call area. You call 12 near upon be a 4. This are 4 near upon men anti baby na be a 5 and after 5:30 I call about 6 because me anti free atomic a copula 2. Inti na it wasn't that far though, because your point students in a be na coffee, so it wasn't big of a debate. Only issue they say I should when me pumps are 4 o'clock now, I should come home at 4:30, exactly 4:30. Now sometimes you don't even close exactly 4, but even to me time clarity might be around 4:20, 4:10, 4:15. And you know mean to me do exactly 4:30, and then I take 2 city 50 pesos to school at that time, and transport was in and out was around I think 1 city 50 pesos or so at that time. Na enye aduane bia nso na midi, so most of the time we used to scan the to aduane and I buy certain ones and a chess school aduane school. So those foods in enye aduane am to me di enye ni nyina na me to me di me say me so na me pay beans crana. Sometimes I buy school free food no no beans ti me ndi am this can go to aduane for e pon na manante because it was normal for me. But this day my me bufu yes I didn't na me pon school na me che e wo kwan so ana this particular day no on aduane wa mame because my late. Meanwhile store no so me na me there me na me share store no. Now this is just by the way, guys, if you want me to be posting more of the stories every day, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'm gonna share videos now. And that's the only way I get to get to monetize and also create the stories every day, because if you are with money, it's not easy. So you guys should go to my YouTube. Go YouTube, I just type NYD made. You will find my channel and then subscribe and also watch my videos so I get monetized and also give you more stories. Until this day, one my made and I miss you. Story there, send me an American shop no. Nti me ntumi nso efa ekom enhwe shop no. Nti me twa bread and me yi sardine baako na me di gu na Mary. Nti Mary aka me wie crampo me say the footsteps say oba. Nti ora ho no once sardine so sardine has this scent. It has a strong scent. Ora ho no say sardine is scent no bisa say why na ebi sardine na me say me a me dey then na me say me di bread. Why na the man me? Nti I shouldn't have mentioned anybody's name, but then at once on some me kind say me boge obi dinge obi ana me ni free power na me ko bon this on nearby or tomami. And then there was another woman around who was like, later on Rebecca Chem say it was a big mistake. I should have even mentioned her name instead because they knew whatever that was going on. And I should have mentioned her name instead of girl no, because it could be say girl later no say no. Now what happened after that no? Oh my god, you guys you need to actually follow me. And then initially when I was shopping mu and oyi ni nansen pabua. And I mean to jump. Tebe gidi crama and can showcase ne wo shop ne nim no. Nka say and ani kunu ebe so ni mu. Till later on that day no, they called me in their room. It me call a dem honum no. And ani kunu started say onemeka. He made a threat or threatening me. Now that threat that will come in the next episode because video already now ended. So we will continue from the next episode. So follow me and then comment. Bye.